Well, VDOT crews have been busy all day long, working around the clock to clear those roads. Nina Napolitano with the Department of Transportation joins us now on the phone. So, Nina, how are the crews keeping up?
Hi, Laura. Hi, Stephanie.
Hi,
Yeah, it's
Nina.
been a really busy day here, obviously. They are doing extremely well. So far, our roads are passable and snow covered. That means that people can get by. Obviously, it's still pretty dangerous out there. So we do want to urge people to stay off the road if they can. Right now, the crews are concentrating on our interstate ramps. Some of them have been a little bit challenging, but we want to make sure that those on-ramps and off-ramps are being cleared so that they have access, or drivers have access to the interstates. That's really one of our most biggest focuses today. And then our primary roads are looking good. They're in moderate condition. So again, that really means that they're just passable and people can get by. Our secondary roads, on the other hand, some of them, obviously you might be able to get by, but those are lowest in the order of priority. First, our focus is on the interstate and then on the primary roads and then the secondaries. So they may still be covered in snow and difficult to pass through.
Nina, I understand that the downtown tunnel was closed for a bit and a lot of the ramps were closed. Any major ramps that are still closed right now?
In front of me, I don't have anything, no ramps that I can speak to right now. But people can go online to our 511 mobile app and they get the real-time conditions right to their phone. And you can follow us on Twitter. We're always putting them out. So people should be able to get the information that way.
All right, Nina, thank you so much for joining us. I know you're very busy today, so thanks for taking time out to update our viewers. And also, we want to remind you folks, if you are driving today, if you have to drive out there, be aware of those trucks that are out there on the road trying to make them safer for you. Keep your distance from them because they have a job to do and they want to get home safely to their families as well.